Juang chendo eno imore wadhi mbele gi wech manyien. Jatend jotend migepe Musalia Mudavadi ochwalo ayanga nying Raila Amolo Odinga kaka jalno ma Kenya kaachiel gi pinje mag Afrika ma ugwe siro mar bedo jakom riwruog pinje Afrika kata kuku mar riwruog pinje Afrika AUC. Mudavadi no ochwalo nying Raila e romo makende mar 18 mag Interministerial Committee of the International Conference of the Great Lakes Region ICGLR manobagi bwa Luanda, Angola. Mudavadi olero ni Raila en jalno moketo dongruok mar Afrika nyime kendo en jatelo ma osenyiso kitelo makare Afrika. Omedo wacho ni Raila Odinga nigi ng'eyo mag dwaro pinje Afrika ka bende en gi tudruok mar ariye gi pinje maoko.
We have also presented the name of Raila Odinga as the candidate for the AUC chair. He's well known to all the countries and all the participants here, and it was resolved that the Council of Ministers or the regional interministerial committee takes note of his candidacy since he was the only one who was presented at this as we await the elections of the AUC chair in February next year. Equally, if there were other candidates, that has also been resolved that they take note and it will be dealt with in the course of next year.